up, dude?
What's up, dude?
How was your morning?
Oh, fantastic.
Well, it took you how long to come here?
Yeah, we were just chilling.
So we ended up getting some donkeys this morning, some coffee. Only thing is, what goes good with coffee? He's gonna do the first donut today. You're looking good, boys. Where are you going?
We gotta get some food. The Calvin first. I want to get Brembos though. That's gonna be awesome. I have nothing else to say. What do you want from me?
All right, so right now we're waiting for our friend Tyler to get out of work. We're actually gonna end up going on a photo shoot with all of our cars. But in the meantime, I can't see anything because I don't have rear mud flaps. But this guy has one rear mud flap, and he actually has it. So we're gonna run over to his house or wherever it is, and we're gonna put it on. So I guess this might be an install video. Not fully sure. Where's your mud flap? It's cool.
I'll keep talking about that.
Oh, there it is. So how'd you lose this?
Just flexing on a snowbank.
Alright guys, that's it for the install video.
That's it for the video. Well done. Just double-sided tape and we got a wiper blade installed too. Yeet! Walmart. I'm so lost.
It's cold.
It is fucking cold.
I kind of wish I had a hood on.
What the fuck did you just do? Fucking hate Walmart.
Dude, I couldn't get the backfires.
Oh, really?
Dude, I couldn't get them.
That's wild.
We're gonna get some Poppy Boys for you guys. Just wait. Just wait. We will. We will.
It's happening. It's happening
today. Move up a little and give me some. Come on. All right, so we're gonna start off the rollers with Mike's car. We're just gonna test it out on this really empty road that's kind of near our house. So we're gonna be taking photos of his car, and the driver car where we're actually gonna be taking the rollers out of is Hunter Subaru, and let's just see how these come out. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the car and let's do this. Not bad. Not bad for the first try.
FM, it's an overnight phenomenon. Rapping to the beat.
Insane, dude. Crazy. I'm halfway out of the car, flames everywhere. Dude, I don't know what to do anymore.
Rapping to the beat.
Soak. Why are you doing that?
Light up everything.
I don't know.
Oh.
Non-flammable.
Oh, never mind.
So does that mean you're gonna shoot flames for us right now?
Always.
So two of the Subarus that are with us shoot flames. They have a full ETS from the turbo back. So yeah, I talked them into shooting flames for us, guys. That is so incredible. It gets me every time. He's all the way down the road and you still hear him. It's insane. All I know is ETS. If anyone from ETS is watching this video, you guys did such an amazing job with your exhaust. Literally fucking insane. Oh my god. Guys, if you made it to this part in the video, if you guys did not subscribe yet, go down below, click that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I've been out of YouTube. I don't know what to say, dude. I have to share this. We've been coming across the coolest people today.
Yeah.
What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm John Angelari, and I do professional drone cinematography. This is my drone setup. Sorry about the broken stuff, but there's a tree. Helps.
Yeah, tree and I came down hard.
Yeah, that's insane though. He made this himself. Look at this. That is awesome. And this guy is literally... You got no clue how good he actually is, like, flying this.